Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when we plan for any vacation or any foreign trip like for tourism, we always think at least once that what is the visa requirement for travel visa, right? Based on the purpose, of course. So, but what if I tell you that there is a country in this world where people from all nationalities can arrive without any pre-approval? It is true, yes, as you can see on your screen. This is Maldives, which is a very popular tourism destination, and regardless of your nationality, as they have mentioned on their official site, um, you do not need a tourist visa. Okay, but yes, there are some basic entry requirements that you must satisfy at arrival in order to get immigration clearance. But the main part is they have clearly written tourist visa is granted for all nationalities on arrival to Maldives. So you will be able to go there and then you can get the tourist visa. You don't need to worry about any pre-approval, but make sure you meet these requirements in order to avoid any last minute surprise. So when you are planning for your overseas vacation in this time, this may interest you. Thanks for watching.